Sir, can you please tell us how this ceiling fan works?
Hi friends, ceiling fan is one of the most commonly used home appliances. We can easily install it. Let us see how we can do it.
Open the fan cover and bring out various parts. Hanging rod, top canopy, bottom canopy, shackle assembly, twisted wire, motor assembly, blade set. Now, let's move on assembling the ceiling fan. First, insert the hanging rod from slit side. Slide the top canopy over the hanging rod from cap side. Pass the supply wire through the hanging rod from the cap side bigger hole. And both wires from the slit hole of the hanging rod. Open shackle assembly box. Take the bolt, which is having aluminum pads, and remove the split pin, lock nut, main hex nut, spring washers, and smaller pads from the bolt. Keep it secure. Place the motor assembly on cushioned surface safely. Otherwise, it may get scratched. Remove the safety screw from the shaft and keep it securely. Slide down the hanging rod from slit end side over the motor and align the cross holes on the hanging rod and shaft. Insert the hex bolt. Place the aluminum spacer and spring washer. Ensure the mounting of the safety screw to have safe fan running. Ensure the hex nut is fully tightened. Otherwise, it may create noise during fan running. And now, tighten the log nut. Ensure the bolt is fully tight. Ensure to place the split pin in the provided hole. Now, fully tighten the safety screw. Connect the supply wire in the connector. Slide the bottom canopy towards fan motor. Hang the shackle clip assembly on the hook. Slide the hanging rod assembly inside the shackle clip assembly. Align the hole and insert the bolt through shackle clip and hanging rod holes. Place the spring washer and tighten the hex nut fully while holding the bolt head with spanner. Tighten the log nut fully and ensure both the hex nut and log nut fully tighten. Otherwise, it may create noise. Insert the split pin and spread the projected ends. Connect the wire from cap side of the hanging rod to the supply line properly and insulate it. Slide the top canopy towards the ceiling.
In the last section, we saw about the installation of a ceiling fan. Now we are going to see how to test a ceiling fan. Usually faults occur in capacitors, windings and bearings. First, we can see how to test the windings.
Disconnect and detach the fan and place it carefully on a table. Arrange a series test lamp and a multimeter for testing. Look, we can see the 3 terminals of the fan here. Now, we will identify the terminals. Look at the picture. There are 2 windings in a fan motor. There forms a common terminal by connecting one end of each windings together. The other end of each winding forms terminals 1 and 2. Conduct a test by using test lamp in between each terminals of the fan winding. At one condition, we will get a dim light in the test lamp. At that condition, the unused terminal is the common terminal. Now, this is the common terminal. Connect the test lamp in between the common terminal and one of the other terminal. Check the lamp brightness. If it is dim, then the windings is in good condition. If the lamp does not glow, then there is an open circuit in that winding. If the lamp glows brightest, then the winding is short-circuited. Repeat the same procedure with the remaining terminals also. In this way, we can test the windings and take proper measures to rectify the fault if any. Detach the capacitor from the appliance. Visually inspect its condition. Select the mode of analog multimeter to high resistance. Connect the capacitor terminals to the leads of the analog multimeter. If the needle of the multimeter initially deflects to low resistance and then gradually return back to infinity, that capacitor is a good one. If not, the capacitor is faulty. Now, connect the test lamp in between any one of the terminals of the fan winding and the metal body. If the lamp does not glow, it indicates no leakage. If the lamp glows, then leakage is present and rewinding is needed. The reason for rough sound while rotating the fan may be due to on bearing. Check by lubricating, else replace the bearing with a bearing puller. If the fan vibrates while working, then the cause is due to incorrect alignments of blades.